We are going to deal in our Prana Treat Yoga Teach learning classes. What is prana? Which is the base of vital force and which is the source of healing. Medical science in the 21st century is sure to recognize the subtler or the vital body of man, who is the receptor of all pranic forces. Till now, there is no scientific proof for the vital body or the subtler body, which is the source for pranic forces. But according to some philosophers, they told in 21st century, may the man can recognize the vital body, which is the source and the receptor of all pranic forces. Then what are the pranic forces? We won't find in any of our medical books, but in Ayurveda system of healing, we can find what are the forces of prana or the pancha pranas, the five main forces of prana. The first one is prana, the second one is apana, the third one is udana, the fourth one is vyana, the fifth one is samana. And there are five more subdivisions for these pranas. They are namely Naga, Korma, Devadatta, Krikala, Dhananjaya. When the time comes, we will discuss each prana in detail. And the science will advance to see the case for the diseases as the congestion and the blockages relating to the flow of pranic forces via etheric body of gross physical body. What it means? The science will advance. The science will come to the state of known to see the causes for the disease, but not the symptoms. It means what is the cause for the disease? How it came? What are the symptoms indicating? What is the roots of disease? These all main factors come into act when we deal according to the vital force healing, that is homeopathy. We should heal from the roots but not for the symptoms, but not for the diseases of specific parts. We should go for holistic approach. What is disease? It is a congestion or blockages of body fluids. Congestion or blockages of body fluids. Congestion means accumulation relating to the flow of pranic forces. The force which is always moving in the body. If anything causing congestion or blockage to these pranic forces via etheric body, we will discuss in next classes what is etheric body in detail. It is a separate chapter. When something is stopping or blocking this vital force, it causes disease. So we must go for holistic approach to deal with the diseases, to cure it from the roots of a disease, but not the disease which is specific to some parts of the body, because the disease is coming from center to circumference, when we treat for a specific parts or specific diseases, how can it cure at the center level, at the inner level? So we should go for complete cure of a person. We should deal with vital force. Thank you friends. This is for today's class. Tejakumar signing off.